Why is the sky blue? What are clouds composed of? And once you figure that out, where do they fit in the water cycle? How does a tree live? How does xylem and phloem work? And how do they compare to the human's circulatory system? And what is this circulatory system all about? What's going on there?
Every time moment has a multitude of generatable questions. The answers to the questions create beliefs in our society. And the answers come from laws. And it is all science.
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 Science. Science.
Science.
Science.
Science.
Science.
Science.
Knowledge in my subject area? Well, think. The assignment. Knowing in science. Think about the assignment and knowing. I guess I'll have to think about it a little more. Where to start? The history of science. Well, the history of science, you have to really look back to the first scientists. And those were people they called alchemists. And they were trying to turn lead into gold. And gold was a valuable resource at the time. So, gold is still a valuable resource. But while they were conducting these experiments, they noticed a few things that kept on happening. So we were introduced to this concept of repetition. So what happened during this, they invented some laws, and the laws became theory. The laws became something that everyone knew, and that knowledge, that knowing, was passed on to society through theory by the help of the other subjects, of course. So science really has been a way of explaining the repeated outcomes that we notice every day. And all this knowledge and all these laws and all these newfound experiment results get written down, and they make up books, and those books make up volumes, and there's volumes and volumes of information at your libraries, and you can read it and learn from it.
What counts with me, the counter? Reputable evidence counts, invention counts, revolutionizing culture and society through reputable evidence in invention counts, and the question counts. Without the question, there is no answer. Without inquiry, there is no question. So inquiry counts too. You got a problem? Ask a scientist. They'll work it out.
So whether it is chemistry, biology, physics, it's all just knowledge of the physical dimensions of life on Earth. Proven expected results discovered by people like you and me asking questions. But science is more than memorizing the facts of life or knowing the correct scientific terms which have been developed. Science becomes important when it connects together the bits of scientific knowledge, which we will call learned truths. And these truths, once connected, provides the owner of this knowledge with a better understanding of the bigger picture, the picture we live every day.
the one called life.